What's up YouTube, Car Exterior here. I'm showing you guys a wind-up deck that I have here. So yeah, here we go. 3 rabbit. Too good. 3 rat. 3 shark. This is for September format, by the way. 2 magician. I like 2 because it allows you to get the playoff that you need. There's a 9100 damage. 100. Tutor guide. 1 Sangan. I need a Night Assailant in here because it's good. It's like it's good against Dino Rabbit, I think, if I'm positive on the effect, but yeah, I need it. Just because Injectors are gone doesn't mean anything. I don't have Max E, so I still need this for the Mirror Match and Dino Rabbit. 1 Spirit Reaper, and 1 Gorge. That's it for the monsters. There's about 20 maybe? I don't know. 2 Wind-Up Factory. 2 Instant Fusion. 3 MST. 1 Heavy Mind Control. Best card in that deck. Pot of Avarice. Soul Taker. This is supposed to be Night Assailant, so yeah. Dark Hole, Muncher Born, and 2 Warning, the Judgment, the Torrentials, and the Bottomlesses. I'm not liking this card that much anymore, but I'm going to have to see how it goes for the rest of this format, or for a couple weeks. And 1 Mare Force. I kind of want to get rid of the Mare Force and the Soul Taker for Phoenix Chains. So, you guys, that's about it. Oh, never mind. We got more. 1 Carrier, because you can only have 1. 2 Zen Mains. 2 Leviathan. 1 Giga Brilliant. I need Leviathan or Leviair. 1 Acid. Tempo. Topia. Apple Liver 2. Really good. Tyrus. Adrian. Really good card. See ya.